So hi my daughters, it's your mother, Omi Star, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a requested video, you guys, and basically on how I install my lace wigs. So if you guys wanted to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is go in with some edge gel or some edge control and basically separate your edges, and basically you want to brush all your edges back. If you have some new braids, you would probably still want to do this depending on how much baby hair you have, but just because my braids are old, because I'm growing my hair back out, because about a year ago I shaved my head completely bald, so it's hard for me to grip. But I shaved my hair completely bald about a year ago. This is me showing you because I was having like a Britney Spears meltdown because I was like sad over a nigga. I have found out the guy I was dating was like married with like 2 kids, and I was sad and I had a meltdown. So if you guys actually want to update on like my hair growth, my natural hair journey, let me know in the comments. So I'm gonna go on with a little bit of alcohol and clean off my forehead and simply just do my bald cap. So once you get your bald cap on, you want to basically cut your ears out just to make it easier for you. And you're going to go in with your favorite lace glue, and you're going to basically outline the shape of your hairline. And once you get that done, you're going to basically spread the glue out, and you're going to want to dry that down. Yeah. So after you let the glue completely dry, like it's important to let the glue 100% completely dry, you're gonna go in with your favorite shears and basically cut the excess cap off in the front. Once the cap is cut off in the back, you're just gonna want to tie it in the knot. It's the easiest way, especially when you're doing your own hair, to just... Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of foundation in my skin color, and I'm gonna put that all over the front of the cap just to get it to melt in completely like perfect, and so you won't be able to see the cap underneath my wig. And I'm just going to go in and blow dry that because you want the foundation to 100% oxidize before you start the glue application, because you do not want them to mix together and fuck up your lace application, girl. So after that, going with a little bit of alcohol and simply just clean off the front of your forehead again, just to make sure there's no foundation on your skin or no excess dirt. So this is my wig. I went and styled it halfway off camera just so I save some time in this video. And basically now I'm just going in and situating all the wig combs and the elastic bands in the back, just so I can get that out the way first. Now just go in and you're going to want to put your wig exactly where you want it. And yeah, and then you're gonna get move all the flyaway hairs out of your face for the glue application. Now I'm simply going to go in with the Sharpie and dot in front of the lace exactly where I want my lace to be glued down. This is just going to give me a guide when I'm gluing on so I don't put excess glue on my face, and basically put the glue exactly where I want the lace to sit. So I'm gonna go in and put all these dots in front of my face to give me the guide. And here is just me showing you guys like the ideal spots you want to put your wigs is like a 3-finger width distance away from your forehead, away from your eyebrows. So now I'm gonna go in with the glue, and I'm going to basically dot the glue behind the dots, and I'm going to use a little bit of glue at a time. The key is when you're gluing your wigs on, you do not want to use a lot of glue in between each section, especially if you're a beginner, because you're going to go in with so many layers that you don't want the glue to get cakey and mess up your lace application. So I go in with about 3 or 4 layers and basically repeat this process over and over, and make sure, if I don't remember if I said it, but make sure you let it completely dry in between each application. You want it to be completely clear before you go on with your next layer, just so the glue doesn't get cakey as well. So before my last application of glue, I like to go in with a layer of lace spray, just to, this helps, like, this is like one of my secrets, just to help the glue like really adhere to your skin, is before your last layer, go in with a little bit of lace spray, and I promise your wig is going to be so melted into your skin, like there's not going to be no problems with your wig sticking to your forehead. And then just go on with your last layer per usual. Now you're just going to stick the wig, go in and position the wig where you want it to go, and you're going to stick it basically directly into the glue. And you're going to go in with your rat tail comb, and you're going to press the lace into your skin. You do not want to touch the lace with your fingers, because if you touch the lace with your fingers in the glue, you're going to, that's how your wig starts to look wiggy and like a wig. Like, you do not want any type of, like, you don't, basically if you touch your wig with your fingers while the glue is still wet, the glue is going to seep through the lace and is going to start to look cakey and messed up. So try avoid using your fingers and only using the comb at all times. And then when you get it situated exactly where you want to put it, you're going to go in with your lace band and tie it down as tight as possible, like as tight as possible. I don't want, like, know how to express it, just really tight. You just want to secure your lace down. I like to go in more with my lace spray and just to melt the top of the wig, and basically just make sure blow dry that until it's all completely dry. So now that the wig is completely dry, you're gonna go in with your shears and cut off the excess lace. So you see on the side where I had that little ball spot, I'm just going to cut it back. And anywhere else on my forehead where I see there's protruding lace from the glue, I'm just going to cut it back, just because we already marked out where the wig exactly needs to go. So there's no reason to go in with more glue and glue anything down in front of those dots. So anything in front of those dots, any lace, any hairs in front of those dots, you're just going to want to simply cut it off. There's no reason to save it, and this prevents you from looking wiggy and having your wig too far down on your forehead. So now just going with the Q-tip and a little bit of alcohol and wipe off all the dots that were in front of the lace so they are completely gone. And now I'm just going in and checking my work. You guys seen before where I cut off that piece of lace on the other side. Just because this side was balding so much, this is what I like to call patchwork. I'm just adding a sideburn onto the other side of my lace just for it to be even on both sides. And especially because this side I'm wearing my part, I'm going and just like filling in my sideburn so it just looks like a completely new install. Now I'm going back in with my lace spray and I'm going to tie my hair down one more time. So you're going to want to just blow dry that a little bit, and while the hair is melting, you're going to go in and style your lace. Well, style your hair rather. So I'm going to go in and brush it out, and I'm basically going to complete the style that I have in the back, which is some crimps. So I'm basically just going to go in with my crimper and crimp the remaining sections in the front, and after that your style will be complete. So I already know I'm going to get asked. This crimper is from the Arrogante collection. I'm not sure if it's still available, but I'll check, and if it is, I'm gonna leave it just linked down below for you guys. So yeah. So yeah, this is the finishing look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I hope it was very informational and very straight to the point. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't also forget to follow me on all social media, which is going to be linked right down below. Please don't also forget to comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna check you guys out in my next video. Bye guys.